Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama-positives ngale game ade siyidlala namhlanje versus Rwanda versus iBafana Bafana. Ade kuyi-game ebaluleke kakhulu for iBafana Bafana njengoba ade bedinga nje u3 points ile game. Ade bedinga amaphuzu amathathu mase bethatha ithemba labo balibeke kwiNigeria. iNigeria iwenza umsebenzi ishaye iBenin. Njengoba kunjalo ke bafethu kwenzakile lokho namhlanje siyibonile iBafana Bafana iguqisa phansi iRwanda ngamagoli amathathu ngamagoli nje amahle esiwabonile eqhamuka nje kulabadlali abathathu okuTalente Mbatha, Osuna Police beno Evidence Mahopa. Igoli elihle lokuqala bafethu. The reason why ama-fans ayesho ukuthi uTalente Mbatha kwakumele ayiqale igame esasiyidlala against iZimbabwe. Nibonile ke bafethu igame yanamhlanje. So ngizokhuluma ama-positives engiwabonile namhlanje. Ngizoqala nge-approach. uHugo Broos i-approach engakhona le game le. Njwani ibheka nje i-approach bafethu. Ngokwami mina bengiyitshela ukuthi kuzoqala lo mfana lo uMoleyisane uSibisi. But ke uMoleyisane akaqalanga namhlanje kuqala uNdamane umfana omncane ona-21 years old odlalela iTS Galaxy. Odlale kahle kakhulu indlela eyisimanga bafethu. Umjida indlela angidlalela yakhona namhlanje ungithusile. Ungithuse ngempela indlela adlala ngakhona namhlanje. Uyinikelile ngempela emuva. Indlela edlala ngakhona engathi besingeke isikhala sakhe umjida lo Mbokazi. Indlela eBafana Bafana enama center backs ayi-quality ngakhona. You have uNdamane, you have uSibisi, you have a player like uMbokazi, you have a player like uKekana, you have a player like uMvala osa injured, you have a player like uNgezana, you have a player like uRushwin Dudley. You see quality ekhona kulawa ma center backs leyo. iBafana Bafana kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi iloke iconsider ama goals. Mhlambe ke lawo ma goals meko ma set piece, but kusazoba nzima nje ukuthi iBafana Bafana iconsider ama goal because uma usubheke nama full backs wethu asiwashintshanga ama full backs okumdown noModiba. Asukwathi escenter iyona bafethu. Lento ngisawuqhubeka ngi-emphasize injini yeBafana Bafana from now on kumele kube ile Bafana Bafana Mbatha weTumkwena. Currently they are the best midfielders akhona la eSouth Africa. Currently the best midfielders akhona number 8 okumbatha, Tebogo Mokoena as number 6, mase kuthi Siphombule as number 10. Abajida indlela ade bedlala ngakhona namhlanje. Ade becomplementana. Credit to uHugo Broos ekuboneni lento le ade siyisho as ama-fans ukuthi i-combination kaMbule benombatha iyona esisebenzelayo as a country. Iyona ezosebenzela as a country because they taking this mentality eqhamuka le Orlando Pirates bazoyi-instilla la kwisquad seBafana Bafana. You saw the passes ade qhuma namhlanje. But ke ngokwami bengibona nje ukuthi uMbatha, I think second half uMbatha ucoach bekumele mhlamba athi ukumshintsha kancane, but ke umjida uqhubekile wayidlala wazayiqeda igame. Yize ngayiqedanga but yabo ba-introduce abanye abadlali sizophela igame. But ke isisu sami singidlalele kahle namhlanje. Kuma forwards I hope uTapelo Morena bafethu uzoba right mfethu. Simbonile usheshile ukuphuma ethola leya injury leya. Wa-introduce abani kwa-introduce uNkota. Ungena kwaNkota ke for me today uNkota didn't see much of uNkota, but ke I hope umjida uzokwazi aqhubeke kahle. I hope umjida uzokwazi aqhubeke kahle. iBafana Bafana iqualifyile right now. Njengoba nje iqualifyile, most of these players akhona la njoba siqualifyile. I-starting lineup sakhona mini noticeile lento le. I-starting lineup abadlali vele abadlala la ku-PSL. Starting lineup sala abadlali vele abadlala ku-PSL. Starting lineup. And we have to congratulate bafethu uOsuna Police. We have to congratulate bafethu uOsuna Police indlela lo mjida adlale ngakhona namhlanje. Yabona uOsuna Police once wagqoka ijezi leBafana Bafana. Kuvele kube umunye umdlali, I don't know, maybe kukhona amagama awakhulumayo uHugo Broos. Yabo masekhuluma nabo labadlali. Most yalabadlali labo they don't really perform kuma club wabo. But when they come to iBafana Bafana, they tend to perform. Indlela adlala ngakhona lo mjida since ngamazi mina uOsuna Police. When I saw him playing for iPolokwane City, I didn't see this Osuna Police because you saw him when he was playing for iPolokwane City. Abuya udlala iBafana Bafana, medlala iBafana Bafana wayeshisa. Mase buyela ngale wayengadlali kahle. Yabo wayengadlali kahle, but ke kuyangijabulisa lokho ukuthi umjida useyitholile team rights and futhi njengamanje uyadlala, uyaperforma kuyona aphinda perform futhi nekuBafana Bafana. It's a well deserved man of the match le. Ungangitshela wena ama comments ngokwakho ubani obedeserve man of the match u10,000. Kwenye into engiyithandile namhlanje bafethu ilento eyenziwe yiNigeria. iNigeria namhlanje bafethu ayicucuzanga. iNigeria namhlanje ayicucuzanga, ayiloki ilale nje epassage. Ivele nje yasha 4-0. Yasha iBenin 4-0. Size nje la iBenin number 1. Size lana iBenin number 1. iBenin bu number 1 Bafana Bafana number bani number 2 kodwa namhlanje iNigeria ivele yathi nje so wenza isivumelwano Bafana Bafana shani iRwanda lapho ngo-3-0 thina sizoshaya iBenin ngo-4-0 shani iRwanda lapho ngo-3-0 thina sizoshaya iBenin ngo-4-0 bengiqala bafethu ukubona yabona mfethu indlela engihappy ngakhona right now indlela engihappy ngakhona right now I'm so happy for the boys I'm so happy for iBafana Bafana as a country izinto ade zingekho mnandi the past 2 days izinto bafethu ade zimuncu yabo they were those doubters ade be doubt ukuthi iBafana Bafana ngeke iziphumelele against iRwanda but ke na kuye Bafana Bafana ikwazile ukuthi iphumelele let's hope abajida bazokwazi bafike lapha eUSA bakwazi ukuthi representa kahle ngijabulisile futhi ukubona lo mfana lo Mduduzi Shabalala bafethu ama fans indlela ajabule ngakhona embona engena even though Mduduzi Shabalala engathola ngama minutes amaningi but uwabonile bafethu abalandeli indlela abajabule ngakhona izinto esifuna ukuyibona lezo as South Africans we must rejoice when we see these young players getting time and representing iBafana Bafana abafana abancane kumele siba introduce more often yabo even though ngawathola ngama minutes amaningi but as time goes on Mduduzi Shabalala usazowathola ama minutes kuBafana Bafana and leyo nto le izokhuphula more courage kuyena uMjida adlale kahle even kwi club level yakhe adlale kahle uMjida aperforme lapha kuKaizer Chiefs izinto ezikanje bafethu zasijabulisa kakhulu ezabalandeli bebhola ungangitshela ama comments wena igame namhlanje ikushithe kanjani indlela engihappy ngakhona siya eAmerica